Welcome to our first week in English 1813. At the beginning of each week, I will give you a short summary video that will explain what we're covering in the upcoming week. So for our first week in this class, we're basically going to be reviewing material that was covered in English 1613, if you took that class. So the three main concepts we're going to review are what a debatable thesis is, what an academic paragraph is, and then how to structure an academic essay. So when we are reading chapters in our textbook for this week or doing exercises, some of those may look a little familiar to you if you took English 1613, but that's okay. It's always good to review and to continue to build off of those skills and practice them. So review is kind of our first goal for this week. And the second one is to deal with the idea of how should a Christian respond to argumentation, or why shouldn't Christians be afraid of argumentation? And to remember that in academic writing, argumentation basically just means to make your point, to make your case. And usually you're establishing it with evidence or reasons. Argument in academic writing does not mean like a shouting match or a heated contest between individuals or groups of people. It's a well-reasoned explanation. So we will be talking about that a little bit in the discussion forum this week. So for the third point that I want us to cover is the writing process. That's something that you may not have heard in English 1613, but the writing process is actually very important, and it's going to help you understand how to manage your time and the workload for this course. So I will go over the writing process in a separate video, but it's very important that you watch that video because it will help you structure how we're going to be writing the two research papers, which are going to be which are going to be spread out over the next 5 weeks. So that's kind of different from any writing project you've maybe encountered where you can't just do it in a week. With these research papers, you have to break them up in stages and steps, and so I'll explain how we're going to be doing that over the next few weeks in that video. All right, I look forward to working with you guys in this class and seeing what you guys have to say in your writing.